Hello guys, I am Conquestor and welcome to Codecord. So in this video we'll be learning how to print and how to use Python as a calculator. Let's start. In order to make your first program in Python, you have to install Python on your computer. It's obvious. Don't do like me, I made my first program without installing Python. Yeah, so you can install Python from www.python.org, link in description. And then you need a text editor or an IDE. You can make your first program in Python IDE too, but for some features like auto-completion of code and checking error without executing the program, you can download Visual Studio Code, or PyCharm. You can download PyCharm, it's a very good IDE for beginners, but Visual Studio Code is not an IDE, it's a code editor, so I'll prefer to use PyCharm. By the way, Visual Studio Code is good too. You can download what you like, so yeah, let's start now. All links are in description. So yeah, as you can see, I've opened my folder into Visual Studio Code. Now we just have to make a file. And remember, it's not necessary to name the file as main.py, you can put your name too. But remember, don't forget to put .py at the end. Alright, so yeah, we are making our first program to print Hello World. Okay, so as you can see, I've written the code to print Hello World, but is it okay? Obviously I'll get an error, and why I will get error? Because I forgot to use inverted commas, and then if you'll ask that why inverted comma is necessary. So like we made a program to print Hello World, yeah? So if I'll not use inverted comma I'll get an error because, okay, so I'll give an example here. Do Python know your name? Obviously no, right? Exactly like this, print statement does not know that we are using string or integer, okay? So like if we try to print a number without inverted commas it will run, why? Because it's an integer, but if we'll try to print Hello World without using inverted commas, it will show you an error. Alright, now we will try to print a number also known as integer, without inverted commas. As you can see, program will run, because it's an integer, but it will not work in string format, so you have to put inverted commas while you're printing a string. Chapter 2, Using Python to make, or you can say, using Python as calculator. Now, we will make a calculator in Python, so Here, a is a variable. And now what is a variable? In computer programming, a variable is an abstract storage location paired with an associated symbolic name. Okay, you didn't got? Alright, no problem. Just understand like this, variable acts like a storage, but yeah, temporary storage, not permanent. Okay, so as a is a variable, like this only, b is also a variable. Alright, so we will make one more variable as sum, and then we'll do a plus b, and then we'll print the sum. Now we have two ways to print the sum, by breaking the inverted comma and then writing a comma and printing a, b, and sum. Or we can use f string. Alright, let's see.